Honorable principals or vice principals or deputy chairman, teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear mates. Me, Aina Gubazu, studying in grade 8, stand before you today with a heart filled with gratitude and mind brimming with excitement for recitation of the story named The Power of Encouragement. Starting my story by thanking school administration for conducting such programs that contributes in confidence building in the students or learners. Now, without wasting our valuable time, I would like to start my story, The Power of Encouragement. In a bustling school filled with eager students, there was a quiet girl named Sarah who often felt invisible. Despite her best efforts, she struggled with self-doubt and insecurity. One day during a class presentation, Sarah mustered the courage to share her artwork with her classmates. As she nervously displayed her work, she braced herself for criticism. To her surprise, the room fell silent as her peers admired her talent, encouraging whispers of, "Wow, Sarah, they are amazing." Till the year, Sarah's eyes sparkled with newfound confidence as she realized that her passion for art had touched others. Emboldened by positive feedback, Sarah continued to pursue her passion with renewed vigor. She poured her heart into her artwork, creating pieces that spoke volumes about her innermost thoughts and emotions. Years later, Sarah stood proudly before an audience, showcasing her artwork in a prestigious gallery. In her speech, she thanked her classmates for the encouragement that fateful day, which had ignited a flame within her. Moral: a few words of encouragement can uplift someone's spirits and ignite their potentials. Never underestimate the power of kindness and support, especially among learners and students. Lastly, I like to extend my sincere gratitude to every one of you for your time, attention, and participation. Thank you. Hope for the wonderful day.
Principal sir, vice principal sir, teacher, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. I am going to tell a story about a cruel lion and clever rabbit. A cruel lion ruled over the jungle. He often killed animals for no reason. One day, all the animals in the jungle gathered together and decided to find a solution to their problem. All the animals went to the lion and pleaded with him not to hunt and kill them. Instead, they promised to offer him one animal every day. The lion agreed. Then all the animals went one by one to the lion. One day it was the turn of a rabbit, but the rabbit was not afraid. It was a very clever rabbit. He was sure that he would find some way of escaping the lion. The lion was very hungry and angry. He roared furiously and he saw the rabbit. The clever rabbit told lion about the another lion which was near the port. Uh, the rabbit led to the lion to an old well and pointed there. He jumped into the well to fight. There was a landslide, and that was the end of the wicked lion. He delivered the message to other animals. Other animals became pleased and thankful to rabbit. The moral of the story is victory does not always go to the strongest.
Cover up, inside, hands out, inside, hands down. Standies, attention. Standies, attention. Hands cover up, inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Standies, attention. Standies, attention. Now I'd like to become our vice principal.
Cover up. This line, is it straight? You check your line. Don't look sideways. Keep sufficient distance. If no space, please, you can join in your line. Hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. So today we have a birthday boy, right? Kushal Mananda from Gate 4. Please come on the stage. Class 4, class teacher. So class 4 class teacher is very lucky. Every time just providing sachet, providing chocolates, huh? Okay, let's. First, you will light the candle. Please come here. Come. Come this side and light the candle. Afterwards, putting tika, this sachet, everything is done. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Shubhatav Janmadiva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. Jaya 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 Tava Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam. Sukha Santi Samriddhi Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam. Shubhatava Janmadeva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. Today is 2080, Phalgun 1st. We have our birthday boy, Kushal Manandar. Entire Anupam family wishes him happy birthday. Let him have healthy life, prosperous life, and let those Ashtachiranjeevis bless him. Okay, now we will sing the Western song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Kusal. Happy birthday to you. So, we are so much excited to celebrate his birthday. A speech from birthday boy.
Namaskar and very well, respected Vice Principal Sir, Principal Sir, and my dear friend. Isme Kushal Manandar. I stand in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech of my birthday. Today is my birthday, and thank you for listening.
Thank you very much. So we are always here to wish you a happy birthday. Attention, cover up, hands side, hands up, clap together. Hands side, hands down. Stand at ease. So, tomorrow we are going to celebrate Saraswoti Pooja cultural program. It will begin by 9 a.m. sharp. Remember. So, you are requested to come to school as usual time. Don't come very early. You can come by 8:40 or 8:45. By 9 o'clock, there will be assembly, Saraswati Stotra recitation, worship to Goddess Saraswati, then dance by grade 3, song by grade 3, speech by grade 3. Three programs are there from grade 3. And song by grade 2, that is from junior block. From senior block, speech by Manju. Then song by Kavita Thapa. Poem recitation by Kritika Neupani. Dance by grade 4 students. Ahil, Shreya, Susmi and Simran. Katha Vachan by Prince Balayar. So at first we will complete the work of grade 4. Then we will move on to grade 5. Then song by Visista Bhuzel. Katha Vachan by Yudin Bogati. Kavita Vachan by Sujata Kathayat. Dance by grade 5. Sadika, Rasida, Sirisa, and who is this? Lakshmi or Isara, what is the name? This name, what is this? Yeah, this one. Sadika, Rasida, this is Krisa. Krishma. So who wrote this? A bit unclear, eh? Then class 4 2 dances are there, right? So one is already I said, next one is Rima, Ramita, Anusa and Dibyani. Then class 6, Kavita Vachan, Pavitra Khandka, Katha Vachan, Navita Dhungana. Then storytelling, English by Pawan Kumar Yadav. Dance by grade 6, Bisakha, Eni and Simran. Class 7, only one program, that is dance by grade 7, Priyansi, Abisa, Nisa. And what about this? Boy, speech by Nirajan Shrestha. Oh, speech by Robbins Banta is also there from grade 6. Grade 8, speech by Deepak Bohra, English. Speech by Anmol Adhikari, Nepali, English and Nepali. Song by Ismarika Bhujel. Poem recitation by Arina Gubaju. These are from grade 8. And again, there is one dance by grade 8. Krizal, Arina. Oh, Arina, she should not take part in 2 programs. One, she has to leave. Either dance or poem recitation. One candidate is not allowed to take part in more than 1 program. So it's repeated. So I need the name. In which program she wants to take part? Either poem recitation or dance. Nistara, Swarnima, Kritika, Desara, Sneha and Nikisa. Storytelling by Ritika Maharjan. Dance by grade 9 students, Newari dance, Susmita and Nilisa. And finally, song by Srijal Karki, only one song. This is the event, competitive events, that's why no more programs. Before 12:30, we need to complete the program. That's why whenever class 4's program begins, other students must be active. Whenever the master of ceremony calls you, immediately you have to be present in the stage. Then program will be conducted fast. And for dances, all the songs must be submitted to Chandika Miss. She is the coordinator. It must be played on time. And those students who are singing music, their tracks also must be made up to date. If the track becomes delayed, the program will be cancelled. Now we are not going to wait for you. Eh? Everything make up to date. We need the work on time, exact time. Sometimes you may say, sir, this pen drive is not working, let's find another. No. If so, that program will be completely cancelled and we will go to next one. Be careful. Attention. Cover up. Go a little bit back. Asmani, be active. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. March time. Everybody be active and do your activity. Go to sound. Come on. Together, together. Okay, don't forget it. Go forward.